Hi guys, welcome back to another analysis video. So this time we'll be talking about how Nifty has played in the past couple of days and also what we can expect in Nifty in the coming days. Also in this video, I'll also be telling you guys, I'll share with you guys my swing trade ideas, which I'm looking forward to. There are two stocks that I'm really keen on. I haven't taken any positions yet, but if we see some good price action and some good confirmations, then I'll definitely take positions on those stocks. So we'll get into that. So right now, let's get into Nifty and see what we can expect in Nifty and how Nifty has played out after the expiry that was on Thursday. So let me remind you guys that 15,900 and 15,600 were the levels we've marked since the past couple of days, and that level has holded so well. It hasn't broken out yet. The 15,900 level hasn't been breached, and 15,600 level hasn't been broken down either. So on Thursday was 7th, I believe. Yeah, it was on 7th. So the analysis that we had for Thursday was, if Nifty opens gap up and we get a good 15-minute candle that is bullish, then we would go long. And if we see a bearish candle on 15 minute, then we would wait for the retest, and then we would and if we got a confirmation, then we would go long. But what happened on Nifty? It opened flat. And the analysis that we had for the flat opening was, if Nifty holded that flat position, if it consolidated for some time till 12 p.m. or 1 p.m., then we were expecting a good up move, but that did not happen. What happened was Nifty broke down this trend line. I'll show you this trend line. So Nifty broke down this trend line on Thursday, and we saw a very good down move. We saw a very good down move. Again, look at where it took support. It took support again at 15,600 levels. Now, this is a very, very key zone. On Friday, the market has consolidated. We haven't gotten any good, upside or downside signals. So let's see what we can expect in the markets. So you can see on a daily chart, Nifty has formed a doji candle on Friday. So what a doji candle depicts or signifies is that neither the buyers are strong nor the sellers are strong. That means there is no specific direction in the market right now. The buyers don't know if they want to take it up. The sellers don't know if they want to take it down. So what are we going to do? We'll be waiting for the market to play out. If the market goes beyond this high, which Nifty made on Friday, then we can expect the market again to go up to 15,900 levels. But if it doesn't, if it breaks down this level, 15,600 level, then we can expect Nifty to go up till 15,400 levels. Now, why am I saying 15,400 levels? There is some reason to it. Let me show that to you. So we can see that Nifty has been, this particular level has been a very important level for Nifty. You see how Nifty has taken resistance at this particular zone once, twice, and the third time we broke out from this level. Now Nifty has come down, took support. Now if it breaks down again 15,600 levels, then we can again expect 15,400 in the near term, right? So that was about Nifty. Now let's get into the stocks that I was talking about. So the first stock that I want to share with you guys is LT. Now let me remove these diagrams and I'll draw it again for you guys so that it becomes much more easier to understand, like how I draw and what is the thinking that goes behind drawing all of this. All right, let me just remove this. Yeah, great. So again, guys, this is Larsen and Toubro, LNT, like everyone calls it. What can we see on LNT right now? LNT is again consolidating. Okay, there is like there are two levels, two zones over here. So the first zone is this resistance zone that I can see over here, right? That means the price has been rejected from this level. So and also we can see a good support trend line over here, a good support trend line. Let me draw that for you. Yeah, so this is the support trend line that I'm seeing on LNT, right? It is continuously coming here, taking support once, then went up, came down, took support twice, thrice, 4 times, right? Also, I'm also seeing that this particular price level has a lot of demand to it. Why? Look at this. You can see the support zone over here. That means Nifty has tried, sorry, not Nifty, LNT has tried to break this levels, but it hasn't been able to break it. right? There are buyers coming in. That means demand is being created at this particular price range, that is between 15,000 1450 and between 1470. There is a lot of accumulation being happening. So what my analysis for this particular stock is, we can expect this particular stock to go up till at least 15,800 1580 levels. And I'll be looking for an entry maybe after a breakout. So what is the breakout that I'm looking for? This is the breakout that I'm looking for. Now I don't take entries on a daily chart. I'll be going back to the hourly chart. So on an hourly chart, you can get a much more clearer picture, right? You have a lot more candles. You can see a lot more information and data over here. So let me correct this trend line over here. Fine, so that most of the wicks are connected. Now all the wicks are connected, and we see that you can see how many times this particular zone has been tested. This is a very key zone. So I'm looking forward to this particular level in LNT. We can see that level. Now my entry would be somewhere over here. I'll use the tool here. So let's see what the risk to reward can be for this particular trade. Okay, now yeah, so we can see minimum 1:2 risk to reward on this particular trade. Also this particular level is also another key level that we can see over here on an hourly time frame too. Yeah, so I kept my stop loss below this small level. Fine. Now how much risk do I take? I'm risking 33 rupees per share. And what is the target that I'm expecting? I'm expecting 75 rupees target per share. That's a good 1:2 risk to reward ratio, as you can see here. So that is my analysis for LNT. And let's see if we can get a good entry, then I might actually take this up, and let's see how it plays. So this was about LNT. Let's get into Sunpharma now. This is the second stock that I was talking about. Go into the daily chart. And guys, okay, let me remove this and draw it again for you guys. Yeah, oops, no worries. Okay, so guys, Sunpharma has been continuously forming and higher highs and higher lows. Now what is higher highs and higher lows? Probably I'll make a different video on that. Okay, there's something called as Dow theory and all. I'll explain that in a different video, no worries. So we are seeing that Sunpharma is in an uptrend, right? So in an uptrend, I'll be only looking for buying opportunities in a stock. Now, where do I buy? Am I going to buy on the high levels? No, I'm not going to buy at the high levels. Why? Because see, if I buy over here, then the price has gone down. My stop loss is going to be huge and my target is going to be little. So I'm not going to take such trades. I will be looking to buy at these areas. These are the areas that we need to look out for, because the risk is very small and the profits can be huge. So that is the area, those are the kind of areas that I'm looking for. Now, where is going to be my entry for this one? First of all, I'm going to find a good demand zone for Sunpharma. Now, I've drawn a purple box here, and this is going to be a very good demand zone. Why is it a good demand zone? We can see that Sunpharma has taken resistance once, twice, and the third time it broke out from this region, and it has been continuously testing this level. So that's why this is a very, very good zone for Sunpharma. And maybe somewhere over here, maybe somewhere when it touches the trend line, I'll probably buy. Until then, I will just wait and watch what the market does. Okay, we are not going to take trades based on fear of missing out. Okay, because that is not what a good and a professional trader does. We have to wait. We have to be patient in the market. Otherwise, market is going to slaughter you completely, and you will go, your capital will just get wiped out if you just take entries based on fear of missing out. So guys, we have to make sure that we have to be patient as traders. Otherwise, the market is going to eat us alive. So yeah, those were the two trades that I wanted to share with you guys. Now yeah, so you can see that this is a good support zone. Let's wait for the market to come somewhere over here in this region, and then we could probably take an entry. So yeah, guys, that was about it from my side for today's analysis. So we spoke about Nifty. We spoke about how it's forming a doji candle and what are the levels. If it breaks down 15,600, we can expect 15,400, and above 15,900 is the level where we can go bullish on Nifty. And also I shared with you guys two stocks, that was LNT and Sunpharma. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please you can subscribe if you like it. Otherwise it's fine. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. See you guys. Bye bye.